हाय फ्रेंड्स। सी ऐसा कहते हैं कि वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग थ्रू टफ टाइम्स यू शुड गो बैक टू बेसिक्स। हर फील्ड में ऐसा कहा जाता है और जो लोगों ने भी ये बेसिक्स फॉलो किया, फिर वो फिल्म स्टार्स हो, वेन एवर दे वर गोइंग थ्रू रफ पैचेस, फिल्में फ्लॉप हो रही थी, दे वेंट बैक टू बेसिक्स एंड दे सक्सीडेड, और इवन क्रिकेटर्स और एनी फील्ड। नाउ प्रेजेंटली आज जो ये कोविड सिनेरियो चल रहा है, मेनी ऑफ अस आर गोइंग थ्रू टफ टाइम्स। सो whenever we go through tough times, as I said, we should always go back to basics to find out कि हमने क्या करना चाहिए। अब ऐसा ही कुछ today in the morning when I was discussing with my students, I suddenly realized that there are many basic concepts of commerce, yes, basic concepts of commerce which are very relevant to our day-to-day life. So I thought, why not take up these individual commerce concepts and try to link with our daily life to find out whether we can find out some meaningful answer from this. So I took the first interesting concept from commerce, that is reconciliation. Now what is a reconciliation in commerce? Those who are very closely related to commerce field, they would know that if you are in commerce or you are doing anything relating to commerce, reconciliation is something which is very, very, very integral. एक छोटा सा example, you open a bank account with a particular bank. In your books, you are passing the entries, you are making note of the transactions that you have done with that bank account. In the similar fashion, the bank is having your account with them, where they are also making entries or giving effect to the transactions that has happened between you and the bank. Now logically, since you and the bank are preparing details for the same account, for your own bank account, whatever you are showing in your books as transactions relating to the bank, the same should appear in the books of the bank as transaction relating to you. But generally, if at the end of any period, if you try to match these two books, your books and the bank's books, you can say passbook, you will find that there are differences. Certain transactions are here but not there, they are there but not here. So we resort to something called as reconciliation. So this is the basic of reconciliation in commerce. So in commerce, whenever you want to match two different persons, interconnected transactions, that is a transaction between them, you resort to a concept called as reconciliation, and reconciliation is used in different aspects in commerce. I am not going to that. I want to link this concept with us, with our day-to-day life. In our life also, I feel that today the same concept of reconciliation is required. Yes. How? I'll tell you. We need to firstly match ourselves with all the persons with whom we were connected or we are connected till date. See, it may have happened in past few years, you may have lost touch of them, or you or they may have intentionally cut off the relationship with you for some issue. Why not take this COVID as an opportunity to reconcile our relations with them? Yes, I won't say that you have to always give up or you have to always accept what others are saying, but at least you can make a try of reconciling. You never know. Even out of 100 spoiled relations, even if 10 gets reconciled and they add up to your life, I'm sure it will be one of the biggest achievements of this COVID situation. So first is, do reconciliation with all those people with whom the contact has faded over years for some reason. Second, reconciliation with your own self. See, when the times are good, when everything is rosy, many times we tend to deviate from our goals. We tend to deviate from our values, and many times we don't realize, or even if we realize, we give ourselves an excuse कि नहीं भाई अभी के तो टाइम में ये करना ही पड़ेगा, and we go ahead with the way which is either not so correct or which we ourselves are not very comfortable with, but we go ahead with the tide. Why not, now taking the advantage of this break which has happened to us, everybody is having a pause in the life, why not reconcile our lives with what was our goal, with what were our values, and again trying to match our lives with our goals, our values. Yes, you may define newer goals, you may have elevated values. I'm not saying you stick up to earlier goals or values, but at least try to reconcile. Again, you will find that once you try reconciling with your goals, with your values, with your even techniques and methods, you will find out many areas of corrections, many areas of upgradations, and if you identify it now, and once the situation normalizes and you start following this new reconciled way, you will reach a different level in your life. So, I'm sure you understood how this very simple concept of commerce, that is reconciliation, is so important in our lives. Please do it. I'm sure you will benefit a lot even if you do these two basic reconciliations in life. Do share your experience with me. Do share your comments, what you feel, and also suggest similar other experiences which you have. Thank you, and please take care of yourselves. Good day. Bye-bye.